Compact 3-cup capacity, electrical rating -120 volts. Triple heater with extra large heating element heats and warms rice from the bottom, side and top. Removable steam vent cap allows for high temperature cooking without messy overflows. Automatic keep warm keeps rice at the perfect serving temperature. Extended keep warm keeps rice warm longer by maintaining a lower temperature to prevent drying. Black 2.5 mm thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly, and is nonstick coated for easy cleaning. BPA-free, all surfaces that come into contact with food or beverage. Aided by microcomputer technology, this Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer takes having rice on your menu from occasional to serious. Advanced fuzzy logic technology prepares perfect rice every time. Unique healthy menu options include brown rice, steel-cut oatmeal and quinoa. Multi-menu cooking functions. Special settings for white, sushi rice, brown rice, long-grain white rice, steel-cut oatmeal, quinoa, cake and quick cooking. Triple heater with extra large heating element heats and warms rice from the bottom, side and top. Top reviews from the United States. Small but mighty. This thing is honestly fantastic. Everything that I've made in it has turned out absolutely perfect and it is incredibly easy to use. As a 23-year-old with a pretty moderate income, this was definitely a splurge but was well worth it. One of the biggest appeals is the size, as most high-end rice cookers are huge, which would have been a hassle in our small apartment. This guy is a totally reasonable size and it makes the perfect amount for me and my boyfriend and can hold enough for a couple more servings if we have guests or want leftovers. We eat a lot of curries, grain bowls, and rice in general, and I didn't fully realize how much I was missing out on by not having great rice to go with them until I got this. My old Black Decker rice cooker was always hit or miss and would often leave parts half-cooked while others were burned. The guides and settings on this model guarantee that nothing will go wrong. I have yet to try the quick cooking setting, as I'll usually out rice on before I start cooking and the timing lines up great, so the longer cook times aren't an issue for me. Brown rice, white sticky rice, basmati, and the absolutely amazing Japanese cheesecake recipe that this comes with all came out restaurant quality. Highly recommend snagging this for an amazing rice cooker for 1 or 2 people, especially if it's available as a warehouse deal or on discount like mine was.